So this is your account, okay?
Hmm.
What we are comparing here, then this account, okay? दोनों account के ऊपर same thing is going on, but what we have difference, we have labeling difference. If you see from here, anyone can, like from my team, from the client's team, anyone can click. Just understand this is a broad creative testing campaign with Bralette as a product. And if you go into this, there are multiple ad sets running on. Okay.
Hmm.
So each and every ad has a particular name. X Comfort Ultra. This is working well for us. So like the labeling helps us to understand which type of graphic is working. Let's say you prepare 10 kind of ads. You have to label them accordingly. Keep some unique names so that you can recall the name whenever you want to like double down. I saw in your ad account you have made variations of your winners, right? So those variations with the labeling will help you out to understand when you go in a larger scale. Now, you'll be specifically recall like this was the name of the ad that worked really well for us. So
Hmm.
thing is a very basic thing that you can do very easily. Like just name your ads and then accordingly you can go. Okay. And in terms of your account structure, so this is the account structure that we use. So I'm giving that also to you. Just create one simple campaign.
Hmm.
In that particular campaign, put three different ad sets or four different or multiple number of ad sets.
Hmm.
The ad set budget, what is the budget that you keep? Is there any logic that you keep on the budgets, or like it is random 1,000 rupees, 1,500, 2,000? How the budget is calculated by you?
Uh, so वैसे I have seen that most YouTubers say that at least like the price of the product should be the budget, but I am right now putting it as per my budget. So it's like that, Abito. But yeah, I do try. Like last month, I wanted to increase and I wanted to scale. So for a while, I also tried 2,000, but initially I was on 1,500 because I first wanted to consistently get a good ROAS and then grow the
Okay,
budget.
perfectly
Hmm.
fine. As far as I see your ad account, the cost per purchase is around 1,100, 1,200 rupees, 1,400. This is the type of range that you are getting on your ad account, right?
Hmm.
So cost per equation, let us assume it is at 1,000 rupees. Okay,
Hmm.
just multiply it by two. That is 240 rupees per ad set budget. The
Hmm.
logic behind this we will let the ad run for 3 to 4 days, and we are giving enough room for Meta to get us two conversions in a day. That is the
Okay.
logic we are putting behind.
So basically the CAC into two.
CAC into two. Yes.
Achha.
That should be the budget of your each ad set.
Hmm.
Now each ad set will be brought, and each ad set will have different ads in it. As simple that you already know, and different ads with the singular like the landing page that you have. The main thing I want to focus here is we are playing in the ad front, not here. This is gone.
Achha.
Like let me try to showcase you this thing for you. Let me just open up this. I lost. I will reward open for you. Okay, reward market first. Okay. इस तरीके से कर लेते हैं. So understand this thing. So basically, earlier what it used to be like we used to do market like this interest behavior demographic thing, and like I also used to do this like 1 year back. Okay, but right now Meta says after the Andromeda update of Meta that came into effect in December 2024, it clearly says कि Meta will find out the ideal customer on its own. You just give the right assets to us to find out the particular customer. Okay, so what we have done for our clients is this, that we have divided into market segments. Let us say the first segment that this product is a period patty. Okay, so we have different market segments. The first market segment is college students and young professionals. This is one market. Working women, this is second market. Third, mom and homemakers. Fitness and wellness. Every woman has these kind of different segments. Okay, so in each and every segment we have different personas. Let's say wellness, fitness and wellness woman, she can be a yoga practitioner, or she can be a zumba or pirates wala girl. Okay, in that yoga segment we have three different angles of messaging. The very first thing is your period proof yoga partner. This is one type of messaging. Freedom to stretch and bend without bad shifting. Stay balanced, fresh, and comfortable during your yoga practices. So this is the type of messaging we are doing. Do you see? Like the market segment is the broadest element. In that we have a particular persona. Persona के अंदर भी we have different messaging as per that particular persona.
So you're saying that I create creatives based on.
That's right. So earlier, what we used to do, we used to like let me try to
Mm.
draw the things here. What we used to do is like this. We
Oh,
used to create a campaign with a particular ad set that used to narrow down our services here. Campaign, then ad set, and then comes the ad part. We used to play a lot here. Now Meta says, don't play here, don't play here, just play here. Give me that particular creative that I want to showcase to a person who is into yoga or fitness and wants to get converted. So you need to work on your creative strategy like this. Make a market segment, do the particular persona thing, and then within that persona, you have to create different messagings. So
okay.
this is what is required in 2025 to work on Meta. Okay, for how long do you keep the ads running to understand if it is winning or not winning?
So what I do is ki if after 3x the amount that I have put, like of the price of the product, if it's still like below one, the ROAS, then I pause the ad. But like yesterday, like Paritosh was saying that I should just keep it for 3-4 days, and if it's not giving results, then I should stop it.
Yes,
So
yes, you should. And like with time, na, you gain more confidence on it because what numbers you have to see. Like right now, let me showcase the custom matrices that we can create to understand. Do you see the add to cart ratio and all, or you
yes,
don't?
I do. I do.
Okay, so basically, what you can do, you can create your whole funnel here. Landing page view,
Hmm.
sorry, landing page view divided by link clicks. So this is LP. Okay, adds to the cart divided by left page view. Okay, so LP and ATC, these are two different custom matrices that we created. It will tell us in the initial phases how many people are able to visit our website, and from those people, how many people are adding to the cart.
Hmm.
So, in the maximum time period, let us say whatever ads you have done, the generic idea is like 76% people went to your website after seeing your ad, and then only 4% of them added to the cart.
Hmm.
So from here, there are two interferences. Like there are two different things that comes out first. That is, the ads are convincing because 80% is a benchmark. Basically, I'll show you here. There are these are the four numbers that we track. The first number is LP to LC, then ATC to LP, and then API, and then purchase. So this
Hmm.
should be more than 75%, like 80% is a good number. This should be around 20%. This should be around 20-25%. This should be around 80%. Okay. So this is the flow of the whole website ka funnel. In your case, what we see, the ads are convincing. People are going to the website, but only 4% of them are doing add to cart. And then the 4% are like this. There might be this price issue, or there can be a lot of things that we can think of now. Ki shayad the product is not that much convincing. Ki price and product ka match nahi ho raha hai. The issue is on the landing page, not on the ads. So do you see here how we are making the number
Hmm.
based decisions? कि हमें दिख रहा है कि हमारा ATC to LP is low. That's why we are saying कि हमारे लैंडिंग पेज में कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे जिससे हमारा एड टू कार्ट बढ़े ताकि हमारा ROAS बढ़ पाए. The overall conversion rate can be seen with these kind of metrics. So I can send you the video also. Like I'll ask Paritosh to send you a video जिसमें मैंने चारों metrics कैसे बनाते हैं that you can make also and then see how to like keep a track. Like these matrices for us, like these 4 5 matrices are like North Star things for us.
CBO better than ABO, or should I go for?
It depends. जैसे कि CBO का ना क्या रहता है कि उसमें आपका बजट कम लगता है. मेटा डिसाइड्स ऑन इट्स ओन कि किसके ऊपर उसको स्पेंड करना है. ठीक है.